I didn't want to buy some expensive polygel and it just doesn't work out for me. I bought some polygel before and I had to mix it with some acrylic powder because the polygel was too thin. But do I have something in store for y'all? Okay, I got 2 polygel kits that were worth about 30 bucks for $10 each off Amazon. It wasn't Black Friday deal. It wasn't anything. They had a coupon for both polygel sets. Okay, they had a coupon for them, and each coupon like took $10 off the price, and I paid $10 for these polygel kits. Wait until I open them and show you guys everything that is included in these polygel kits. I guarantee you guys gonna click that link down below so you can get your polygel kits as well. And I will let you guys know at the end of the video which polygel kit I have already tested out, which polygel kit did I use for the set that I have on my nails. But before we get into that, let's get into this Makita. This Makita polygel set. On the back it tells you exactly how to use it. You definitely need a UV lamp. Okay, you need a UV lamp so that the polygel can cure. And that's with any polygel. None of this polygel air dries. You have to dry in a UV lamp. Okay, so I know y'all ready. I know y'all want to see what's in this box. I'm ready to show y'all. Okay. So when you open up your Makita polygel kit, it should look like this. I already got some falling down. Okay, and inside they will have the instructions, which I don't know what I did with my instructions, y'all. No, don't come to me. Okay. So let me get you up close and personal view. I will insert a clip in this video of the whole kit. So this kit comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 polygels. 10. So I got 10 polygels, some glitter butterflies, a new polygel brush, a new nail file. You get some nail forms, you get your base and your top coat, and you get some brush cleanser. So, okay. Brush cleanser or slip solution. It tells you. Let's see. I can take it out. So, yes, you guys. It says cleanser and it says slip solution. Okay. So you get everything you need to create a great polygel look. Let's get into the colors, y'all. So you have pink. Okay. So let's just pop that back in there. I think, yeah, I didn't pop it in there good. That's why I pop it back out. But you get pink. Let's show you. Pink. You get amaranth. I don't know how to say that. Is that right, y'all? Amaranth. I guess it's another color of pink. You get beaver. So it's like a natural brown. You get white. You also get Tuscany, so it's like a yellow. You get turquoise. And these are nice size. Let's see if it says how much. It says that they are 15 grams or 0.5 ounces. It won't focus, shut up. Okay, since it won't focus, you guys gotta take my word for it. You get 15 grams of polygel up in here. So we got natural cover, which, oh my god, that looks so good. Okay, we got carnation pink. All right, we have our white glitter, and I love me some glitter, y'all. I love me some glitter nails. I was like going glitter crazy. At one point I was putting glitter on all my sets. You know, you go to Dollar Tree and get you some glitter, and boom, there you go. You got a whole bunch of glitter for a whole bunch of sets. Buy a million sets, because the glitter is like 6 packages of glitter for $1. Yes, I can show you guys. I have some already that I put into those little containers that's at Dollar Tree already, which makes it easier to apply the glitter on your nails. Yeah, we got to save it for another video. But yeah, you guys, you get your cover glitter, so it's like a red glitter. And that is all for our 10 polygels. Let us open up our, you see these butterflies? They have a ton of different colors, like teal, pink, light blue. And that is it, you guys, for this set. We gotta open up the other set. I'm gonna put the links down below. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to get the great $10 deal that I got, But you will not be disappointed when you order these polygel kits. This video is not sponsored. I purchased these with my own money because I was running out of polygel and I need some. I love to do polygel nails. I prefer polygel over acrylic. I haven't done acrylic nails in so long. I'm kind of wondering, like, can you mix acrylic and polygel? That's for another video. Anywho, that is it for our Makita polygel 6. If you guys like that, go ahead and like this video. Okay, you guys, so let's get into our second polygel. This is polygel kit number 2. I ordered both of these kits at the same time. This one isn't sponsored either. I needed some more polygel. Polygel runs out quick, and I was looking for the polygel that was in color because I'm so tired of all pinks, the nudes, and nobody. So yeah, y'all, I am so sick of them pinks. Like, I want some rainbow colors. Like, I don't want pinks, whites, browns, and clears. Please. If you guys get these kits though, baby, these kits ain't got no pinks, browns, whites, and clears only. We got us some turquoise. We got us some Tuscany. We got us some white glitter. We got us some red glitter. What more can you ask for? I'm satisfied. Okay, but anyways, back to our second kit. I can't stop talking about the first one, but wait till I open this one. Okay, this kit is from Landfold. They have bright pigment, long lasting, and safety are with Landfold nails polish complies with. Landfold strictly controls every step in terms of materials, color matching, product packaging, and trial. We are committed to bringing everyone a visual feast of nail art. Whether home manicure or salon use, they will bring you a professional and perfect result. Sold. Sold. Okay. So this polygel nail enhancement kit also came from Amazon, just as well as the Makita one, and I got it for $10. They had a coupon code that before you check out, you just click it and it applies a $10 coupon to your polygel kit. I got this one for $10 too. So we are gonna go ahead and open it up if I can do it. Oh wait, I'm having a little trouble. I always have trouble opening up stuff. I don't know why. So, wow, okay. Look at how neat this kit is first. It is so pretty. And this is exactly how the kit came. It was wrapped in plastic, but I took the plastic off to take a peek in here since it wasn't like I was going to do an unboxing with you guys. I didn't want to open this with y'all. I cannot wait. I had to do my nails. So I went ahead and opened the kits. I know. Comment down below if you guys want me to share everything that I ordered for myself to try online with you guys. If you ask, I shall come in. Okay? So they gave us a cute little bag, maybe to put our kit inside. I'll pop the bag inside of the top. We have our polygel nail kit instructions. Okay. They also give you a couple ingredients just in case you want to make your own polygel or you want to know what's inside polygel. There you go. We are not going to read this. I already know how to apply polygel in this video. I will not be doing any swatches. If you guys want to see swatches, you're going to have to comment down below and ask to see swatches. So, let me just show you before I start pulling things out. This kit is gorgeous. The colors of it is pretty. It's nice and neat. It's uniform. All the colors go with everything, including the box. I mean, I just really like it. It looks fancy. And, you know, you can't see my umbrella. It kind of matches a little bit. I got the blue headband on. Okay. And, yes, I'm matching with the Landfold kit. So, this kit has your base coat, top coat, and 4 different polygels. It has a new file and it has a neat, ooh, okay, I have to sit down for this. This is the first polygel brush that your girl has, and it is not black. It's not the black one. I'm tired of seeing the black polygel brush. Like, we got some more colors. Can we use those? Okay. This blue polygel brush is amazing, and I know it really doesn't matter about the color of the products, just as long as the products work, you know. But I mean, if it's a different kit, I want to see something different. I don't want to see the same brush in every kit, even though the brushes serve the same purpose. That just make it look different, make it look fancy. I like different, pretty, beautiful, neat things. So this is one of them. We also get some plastic forms. It has 120 inside of here, and these plastic forms are the ones that don't have a lot of curve in there. I can't really show you guys, but these plastic forms I may try, which I do not like using nail forms with polygel, because I feel like the nails don't last long. As soon as you pop the form off and you go do anything, here you go, your nail's popping off. It's popping off from where your real nail begins, the little nail extension tip. No, I don't like that. It's like, to me, the nail forms make the nails too thin, and you have to have that thickness that's on the nail bed to stop your nails from breaking. You know, I like to do polygel nails with tips. Okay. I don't like to do them with the full nail anymore because I feel like they pop off faster. I do like to use tips though, and that's just what works for me. What works for me may not work for you. You might can use the whole shebang. The tips, the full nail, the nail forms, what's the little paper thing, the paper nail forms, all that. You might can use that with no problem, and your nails won't break. But me, I gotta keep practicing. Okay, I'm just being honest. I can only do polygel nails with the tip. Okay. Back to our kit, because we ain't been talking about our kits that much, you know. Let's show you guys this color, and I'm guessing it's either a white or a clear. It doesn't say, but they do have like a little tab to show you what color it is. And that's the first one. Mind you, we get 4 different polygels up in this kit, and this is like a baby blue looking color. Well, that was like an aqua blue or something. Or maybe this, I don't know, but it's like a sky looking blue. Or maybe it doesn't look sky looking blue. They blue, okay? They blue. Now, what color is this? This is dark blue. Alrighty, so you guys see the polygel nail extension kit. Let me show you guys their slip solution. It looks so neat. Like, it looks so neat, guys. I don't know. Maybe it's the shiny little top. I think this is so cute. This kit is so cute, and I'm ready to use both of them. If you guys want to see that, you guys have to comment down below. You can't be quiet, okay? Because a closed mouth don't get fed. I need to know what you guys want to see, and you have to speak up, okay? Okay. So, just from the looks of these kits, which kit do you see yourself with? Or do you see yourself with both? I'm gonna put the links down below in the description box. All you have to do is click it and order it. That's it. It's on Amazon. Alright, so next we're gonna talk about quality, okay? And I know you guys are waiting. You're waiting to know which kit did I use. And I didn't use this one. I did not use this one yet. So I'm not sure how well this kit works. I think that I would like to make a video if you guys want to see exactly how this kit works. But I have already used this one. I'm pretty sure you guys figured it out by now because you see the red glitter. And this color that's on the nails is beaver. And I put polygel on my toes too. So I got beaver toes and beaver nails. My nails got a little splash of red glitter, okay? But yeah, it's about time for me to go ahead and switch them up because I don't want to keep the same nails too long, okay? But yes, I did use this kit. The polygel in this kit is not soft. It's not too hard. It is just right. This kit for sure is beginner friendly. If you struggle trying to shape your polygel, this is the kit for you. Sometimes I put the polygel on all 5 of my nails so I can do all 5 of my nails and put them in the nail lamp at the same time so I can go ahead and, you know, it'll be faster. Other polygels that I have used when doing that, they start dripping. This one doesn't. Wherever you put this polygel, it's gonna stay. So that's good for you. As a beginner, you don't want to try to do all 5 nails and the polygel getting stuck all over your hands or running all over your fingers. You don't want that. Wherever you put the polygel at, that's where it's gonna stay. So all you gotta do, put the polygel on your nail and go ahead and start shaping with your slip solution on your brush. Cure it and go on to the next step. You do not have to worry about your polygel running. This polygel is not running at all, okay? It's great to work with, and I did not see a lot of air bubbles, okay? So that's good. I did not have any problem with this polygel curing. It cured in 60 seconds. Probably less than that, but I just keep it in for 60 seconds just to eat. Okay? And it'll be good. So yeah, you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys found it interesting. I hope you guys like really want to go buy this kit like I did, because I'm excited that I did. And since I found those deals, I was looking for some more deals. I was like, wait. I got 2 polygel kits, $10. You just spent $20 on 2 polygel kits. Do y'all have any more for $10? Please. Because I don't like, if you use the colorful polygel, you don't have to worry about doing all these decorations and designs. Like, just making nails look pretty. You got different colors that you can work with. You can do marble nails. So one side, one color, the other side, another color. They show you how to split your polygel. Well, they show you how to split your acrylic too. Polygel, the things that you can do with it is endless. And I do want to show you guys. So like I said, you guys have to tell me what you want to see. If you want to see some more videos of me doing my nails, because I'm going to do my nails. Most of the time I do my nails and I just don't record it. But if you guys want to see me record what I'm doing, go ahead, comment down below. Hope you guys like this video. That is it. It is a wrap, a done deal. Bye.